What's going on, everybody? Melody Rides here, bringing you a fucking beautiful ass video again. Today a little something different. We're on the Harley Dyna. This is a little review I wanted to do for a while now. My brother-in-law finally let me borrow his Dyna while he's at work. So best fucking believe, I'ma review this bitch. Right off the bat, one thing I am gonna say, this fucking bike shakes, guys. I know it has a bunch of CCs on it, but holy shit, god damn. It's a 1450 cc, somewhere around there. Oh my god, this thing shakes like a maniac. It low-key feels good on my ass, but none of that gay shit over here. None of that. And then I feel a bunch of wind going towards my head. I'm guessing because the windscreen isn't as tall as my head. I feel that shit fucking, like all the wind hitting me in the head and shit. Like if I go like this, I don't feel shit. But if I'm up here, I feel it. Also, you might hear some shaking of the little windscreen that we got on there. We had to do some fabrication. Some minor fabrication to it, so it shakes a little bit. It needs to be a little bit better made. My god, the pops it makes, dude. This has a lot of play in the throttle. We're gonna have to fix that shit. But so far, what I like about it, the seating position, man. This fucking seating position is comfortable as fuck. I'm like sitting on a fucking sofa, man. Don't hate the player, hate the game, bro. You get yourself a motorcycle and you can split. Damn, girl, why are you looking so mad? One thing I can't complain about is the sound, man. This shit sounds bomb as a motherfucker, man. It sounds better than any sport bike. Don't at me, guys, but Harleys, man, they're fucking crazy. Now I see why people like them. I'm not saying I like it just yet. It's a cool bike. Oh fuck, let me put gas before the shit runs out. Cause that shit's all the way down to empty. It's a cool bike, don't get me wrong, but I don't know yet. We'll see. This shit was fucking empty, basically. That's fucking cool. The fucking gas cap needs no key, but let's say somebody's hating on your ass and they don't like your bike. They pour some sugar down your fucking gas tank and you're kind of fucked. So I would rather have a gas cap that has a key. Alex, I'm gonna bless you with $10, bro. Second gear is real touchy on this bike. Like the shifter's too high for my foot. High for my foot. But things that I like about the bike, I'm just talking about this one particularly. Is that how you say it? I think that's how you say it. The looks that my brother-in-law has, that shit it looks good. It's murdered. I'll get off the bike right now and show you guys, but it's murdered out with some chrome, so that looks all cool. He has heat wraps on the headers. all the way down to the mid pipe. Then he painted the exhaust tips, because what if he has to take them off one day? He doesn't want to have to remove all the heat wrap and shit. So I like how that looks. Sorry guys, I'm getting kind of sick. And the shield in the front, I like how it looks. I just don't like how the build quality is. The build quality kind of sucks ass. But for what he paid, I mean, it does the job, man. It's staying intact. I'm pretty sure it blocks wind for him. So, fuck it. As long as it works, right? Like zip ties. But I like that. I like the performance it has. Like, it could take off, man. It could take off. Just in the high end, it's not really all there. So I'll just say in the low end, it's all right. I already talked about the sound. I already talked about the seat position. It's just bomb as a motherfucker. And this is coming from a guy that rides mainly just sport bikes. So if you ride a sport bike and you're thinking of getting one of these freaking beasts of machines, I can't say get it yet or not. Bro, I fucking hate it when people do that shit. There's like people crossing and they're inching forward. Like, I don't know, that gets on my nerve. Like, let them fucking cross, dude. It's just real loose. Shouldn't be like that. One thing I don't like is I'm pretty sure it's different for all people, but I don't like how it's belt driven. I really don't know that much about belts. I don't know if they last longer than chains. They probably do, but I don't really dig. What the fuck you doing? Can you wait? I don't really like the belt, but I don't know, it probably has more pros than cons, unlike chains. And the wheelbase on this bike, I think it runs a 150 in the back. It runs a 150 in the back and a 120 in the front. So the wheelbase ain't that good. You can't lean this bitch. You can't, you know, like a 180 tire or 190 on a sport bike. You can't lean it the same way. But to be fair, this shit's mainly just for cruising. So I don't really see a reason, unless you're a fucking canyon carver on the Dyna, then go ahead. Of course, guys, I have to be wearing the Jixer pants. Come on now, gotta represent. I don't give a fuck if I'm on a Harley, man. Jixer pants all the way. Link down below, everybody. Go check them out. Wait, I'm dying. Damn, who's that good looking guy? God damn, look at that. I'd be looking like a cheesecake, no, zebra cake, looking like a honey bun. If you know, you know.
That's right, I like my girls BBW.
Alright, let me give you guys a quick walk around of the bike. It's not the sunniest day, but it'll do. I'm gonna take up 2 parking spots and act like a Harley guy. I'm just playing, guys. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. So this is it. There she blows, boys. See, all black, a little bit of chrome here and there. The heat wrap, I don't know what the fuck happened here. Whack as fuck, it didn't even fucking. Fuck it. Here's the front windscreen. Looks alright. Looks alright. Only this shit was higher up. I like how the key's right here. That's pretty fucking badass. Not even gonna lie. Pretty fucking badass, bro. I'm not gonna turn on the bike here. This lady has a kid.
Anyway.
Let's go, everybody. Things I don't like about the bike now. First impressions that I don't like. This fucking bike shakes like a motherfucker. I know, before you guys start commenting, come on, Maori, it's a fucking 1450cc. What do you expect? Motherfucker, there's a fucking ZX10, which is just 400cc's less, shake this much? No? And I've ridden a ZX10. That shit feels so smooth. The weather's gonna start clearing up pretty soon, so expect some banger ass videos. Oh no, la popo, la policia. Man, there's a fucking shit ton of wind right here. Guess it, cause this shit, like the windscreen pushes it onto my head. It's not fucking even blocking my ass. Oh my god, that fucking single got fucked up. Holy shit, that thing's like, oh my god. I'll see if I can zoom into it. That shit got fucked up. Holy fuck. Oh my god, this shit like, nope. I am not speeding on this shit. Not like that. This shit shakes, look at it, it shakes. I mean, I'm shaking it now, but it shakes like that. I'm guessing because of all the fucking wind there is today. But, I don't know, I wanted to do a review on this bitch, man. You could legit just be riding it like this, man. I feel like the fucking king of the world. Amigos, ¿cómo están, amigos? That's the one thing that's pretty cool. I see my brother-in-law do that. Hold up. So yeah, it spits. Heard somebody whistle. So yeah, that shit spits flames. But on this review, would I get this bike? Maybe I will. But I would not trade my Gixxer for a Harley, man. I would not trade any sport bike for a Harley, honestly. That's just me. I wouldn't. But as a second bike, you know, I would. I'm gonna be honest, I would. But to trade mine, nah, I wouldn't do it. Even if it was brand new, I don't know. I still like the speed of a sport bike, man. I can't get over that shit. So I'm gonna have to say it's a no-go for me. But if you're thinking of getting this type of bike, shit, man, it's just pretty badass. Not even gonna lie. Not even going to lie. I'm getting a fucking phone call. I'll fucking call him back right now. I don't know who that is. But it's pretty cool. Has the power band. If you want to cruise, it's cool. The sound of it's phenomenal. I'll say get that shit, boy. Join the riding community. cabrón. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Now you guys see that I don't like Harleys. That I do like Harleys. I popped that shit and I guess he had his fucking driver's side mirror open. But I mean, I don't hate Harleys. They're cool bikes. Just, I prefer sport bike, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, hit that like button. I saw a comment on the previous video. CF Mechanic, if that's correct. I forgot his username. He said 14 views and only 2 likes. It was like right when I uploaded. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoy it, like it. If you guys don't enjoy it, dislike it, so I could, you know, better my videos. Oh fuck, that's a fucking bag. So I could better my videos. But yeah, that's gonna do it. See you in the next one. Peace, motherfuckers.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want